Hello there, good morning. Welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video of this gorgeous 330 EM Sports Saloon we have in 2021, covered 34,000 miles, one owner from new with a full BMW service history, presented in mineral white. So this is a pearlescent white, as you can see. Superb condition. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. We'll take a look at its features and options, as well as the condition of the interior, exterior, and give you as much information as possible. So let's take a look around. 330 is a 2-litre hybrid. It's a plug-in. According to BMW, capable of the mid-30s in the range. As with all electrics and hybrids, take that with a pinch of salt. I've owned one of these myself for a few months, and I was getting regularly sort of mid-20s up to 30 miles, just to give you an idea. As with all our cars, we fitted the gloss black styling kit, rear spoiler, F1 rear diffuser with the LED light, gloss carbon tips, 3-piece rear diffuser, 20-inch wheels, the original BMW i centre caps there, which look really good. Generous specification: as standard reverse camera, 8-speed automatic, paddle shift, Apple CarPlay, touchscreen professional navigation system, DAB. This one has the M Sport Plus pack, so you can see the blue brakes, adaptive suspension, M seat belts, privacy glass, LED headlights, LED tail lights, 3-piece AC style front splitter. Really nice condition. That's a charging outlet for the plug-in. Really nice colour combination. Boot size still sufficient, given that the battery's back there as well. Original set of mats, and the rear seats do fold. Black leather with the M belts, rear climate control, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors as well. $34,000 miles. Next service due in 8,000 miles. First one was done at BMW, so it's all up to date. HP and PCP available. Part exchange very welcome. Any questions, please WhatsApp, call, or send us an email. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Thank you.